in my room. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm home. I see some things that you might fear. I'm doing a show, I'll be back soon. That ain't what she wanna hear. Now I got it in my room. Legs wrapped around my beard. Got the fastest car soon. Hope we make it out of here. When I'm with you, I feel alive. You say you love me, don't you lie? Don't hurt my heart, don't wanna cry. Keep the pistol on my side. Cases fumes. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. He ain't stressing about the loot. My block made a case of real. This not the molly, this the proof. Ain't no coming back from here. Live a life a lot familiar. There's so much gain that I can see it. Turn it up till they can't hear. Running around for the thrill. Yeah, dog, where my real? Raw, I've been going to the real. No, they no back of the field.
Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to make your clan system. So first you want to start with the players that you're going to be using. I'm going to be using two of my friends, Blocks and Row. And inside both of them, you want to make sure that you go to the human root part. You want to add a click detector to the human root part, so when you click on them you can actually like see the GUI to pop up. We have one in Blocks, we also have one inside of Row. So if we go to Row and we go all the way down to human root part, we have a click detector in there. So we put them in a folder called clan leaders just to keep it so we can just locate it more easier and much faster. What we're going to do next is that we're going to start making our GUI. So for our GUI, we're going to have our clan UI, of course, and these two here are going to be from my previous stat systems video. So basically I just adjusted the stat system video so we have the stats from last video, and so basically if you have enough stats you can go up to these two people, you can get a certain clan. So for this clan UI, inside this frame, we basically have, let me make it like so you can actually see it. We have, would you like to join this clan? We have no, yes, we have text label, we have a clan display. Clan display is going to be a little clan that shows what clan you're in. We're going to have our text label that's going to tell us what, if we want to join a clan, and it's going to help us indicate if we don't have enough to join a clan, or if we do. We're going to have our yes and no button, pretty simple and pretty straightforward. I'll be putting all this inside the description, so I'll put the game description so you guys can just download it and like just see it for yourself to make it much easier. So basically we're going to go into our power system. So basically what we added from our power system from before is that in here we made a new instance and we called it string value, and we paired it to the power folder, and we made a clan name. We made clan name.value equal to none, and we made the clan name.name equal to clan name. So basically just change the name to clan name. We made basically local update, so we're just going to update the clan text every time the string value is changed. So just going to concatenate it, so clan semicolon space dot clan dot value. So whatever clan name you make for it, it's gonna come here. So we're gonna do clan name dot change connect update. So every time it changes, every time the string value changes, this is gonna fire. So basically all we're gonna do here, we're gonna add our clan name dot value. We're gonna make it equal to value 3 now, because we had these from our last videos 1 and 2. Now we're gonna make it equal to value 3, and else we're just gonna make it equal to none. So basically they're not in the clan if this is the first time joining the game. Now we're gonna add the clan name value inside our stats table, and all we're gonna do it again down here, and that's basically all we're gonna do for the script right here. And all this is from our other video, so I explained it in my other video. So if you want to watch it, I'll be sure to put it at the end of the video, and I'll be able to put it in the description. So now we're gonna go into more of the where the script really matters. So we're gonna look at our clan. We're gonna look at our clan leaders where we put our clan leaders Blocks and Row inside a folder. Then we're going to make debounce, so we're going to make debounce 2, and we're going to make them both equal to a table. We're going to make a local function, and I made this local function so we don't keep using the same repetitive code over and over again, so our script doesn't look sloppy. So I just use a local function so we can just do it more, so it can be more simple and more like, let's say, nicer, neater and nicer, yeah. So now we're going to do if class.value, so this class is going to be it's gonna be this. So let's say you want to use strength. So if you put strength inside of here, so strength.value, if strength.value is higher than, like, let's say, what is the minimum amount you need to get this class, this will to join the little clan, and then we're going to return true, and then we're also going to return you have met the requirements. So basically we're going to be returning the boolean value true and the text. And now if you don't have another, let's say you have like 20 and we want a minimum of 30, then it's going to return false. It's going to say that you don't meet the requirements, basically, right? And now we're going to do for our local function class 2, we're going to have C1, C2, minimum, and minimum 2. So I'll just put minimum 2, just like min, just to make it shorter. Now we're going to do if C1.value is greater than or equal to min. So basically our first minimum value here. So if our strength.value is greater than or equal to our minimum value, whatever we put in here. And our second class value, let's say we want to have two classes like strength and defense. So if our defense value is greater than or equal to our minimum 2, so now we have another minimum that we have, then we're going to return true and we're going to say we have met the requirements. If we do not, we're going to return false and say we don't meet the requirements. And now for this local function here, basically what we're going to do here, we're going to do our local function finally. I just did this because I did this inside the script. So every single time we want to, let's say they get in the clan, let's say they get in the clan and they say you have met the requirements. We want to wait 1 and then we want to reset the clan name back to would you like to join this clan. So if you like left the clan, you want to come back, this is going to pop back up again, and we're going to like make it in not visible anymore, so it's just going to be gone. That's basically what we're doing this final thing. We're just going to pass frame and new text because we're going to make a variable for both of these. So this is going to be our new text. So basically now we're going to do clan leaders dot blocks. So basically whoever our clan leaders are. Human root part click detector mouse click connect function, and we're going to run play through the parameters. Now we're going to make a debounce, so this will fire every single time. This is gonna fire properly just to make sure that everything is working fine. So now we're gonna do our local frame. We're gonna look at our frame. So basically, player GUI. Let's go to our frame right here. So player wait for child player GUI dot clan UI. So clan UI dot frame. We're gonna look at our strength. So look at our strength. We're gonna look at our clan as well. And then we're going to make our frame.visible equal to true, because when we click on our human root part, we want to be able to see the GUI so we can start doing some stuff with it. Then we do frame.yes.mouse button 1 down connect function. Now we're going to do local is met and text equal to 1 class. And we're doing this inside of the function because we want to, every time we click on it, we want to fire this function again. So basically, we can check. Okay, do they finally have 40 strength? Do you have 40 strength so they can get the clan name, or no? And if they don't, it's going to return false. So basically, is met is going to be equal to our boolean value, and text is going to be equal to our text that we returned second. And now we're going to do if is met. So if this is equal to true, meaning that they have more or equal to the minimum value, that would be 40 here. Then we will change their clan name to Street Killers because that's the clan name. You can change whatever you want. Then we're going to fire finally, and we're going to put frame and text. So basically the text that we have here is going to say that you have met the requirements. And then yeah, we're basically just done that part, right? Now we're going to do finally, and then we're going to do frame and text here. So if this returns false, then we are going to fire you don't meet the requirements. And then we're going to end it there. And then we're going to do if they hit the no button on the GUI, then we're just going to make their frame.visible equal to false. And then we're going to reset our debounce equal to no. So basically, we're going to look at, we're going to do the same thing that we did up here, basically, right? So we're just going to look at our debounce player 2. We're going to locate our frame, strength, defense, and clan. But this time, since it's going to be 2 classes, we want to locate both strength and defense. And then we want to make frame.visible equal to true. Then we want to make frame.yes.mouse button 1 connect function. Basically, we're gonna make our M1 for our frame when you click on our row. So basically, remember that we're making our second person now. So row, and we have our click detector inside of here. Now we're gonna do local is met and text equal to 2 class, and now we're gonna have strength and defense, and we're gonna have 30 and 20. So basically, we're gonna have 2 classes. They're gonna have 2 classes, so we're gonna have the classes strength and defense, and they're gonna need at least 30 strength, and they're gonna need at least 20 defense. And if is met, so if this fires true, then we're gonna make the clan name equal to crazy heads, and we're gonna fire finally text, so we could make the little text say okay, you have met the requirements. Else, we're going to make the text say you do not have the requirements. We're just putting frame in here so we can just locate the frame much easier. And we're going to make our little no button. So every time I click on a no button, so frame.no, mouse button 1 down, connect function, that's going to make the frame just disappear. Then we're going to set our debounce to player equal to nil, just to make sure everything's working. And that's basically how you make your simple clan system. If you guys like the video, I hope you guys leave a like, subscribe. I'm doing the video for you guys. And yeah, have fun and have a great day.